Welcome to our channel. My name is Sigo, and this is Sigo's This and That. In this exciting video, we present Advocate Charles Mnisi's best and entertaining court moments during the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. As an advocate, Mnisi showcases his amazing intelligence and captivating ways of unearthing the truth from witnesses. Prepare to be mesmerized by his fearless attitude and his unique ability to drive his point home, captivating both the court audience and social media viewers alike. Watch in awe as Advocate Mnisi skillfully navigates through Judge Ratha Mokgoatlheng's harsh and oppressive attitude, demonstrating his brilliance in the courtroom. Witness how he skillfully questions the state's witnesses, exposing their vulnerabilities with finesse. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Share your opinion on the trial within a trial and beyond. Do you believe the state has a watertight case against the 5 accused persons? Are you intrigued by prosecutor Advocate Baloyi's sabotage tactics of bringing witnesses and evidence through the back door? Will Senzo Robert Meyiwa finally find the justice he deserves? Can the Meyiwa family find solace? To stay updated with more intriguing courtroom moments, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Don't forget to hit the join button to become a part of our growing family. Your support means the world to us. Let's watch.
Indeed, the fact that you're just mentioning that you're getting confused. Everybody is confused. The court is confused. I'm confused. Colleague for the state is confused. May I withdraw with the greatest respect the very first portion of the confusion thing. I mean, I am confused. You are, in fact, let me start it with you. You've just said you are confused. It's true. You are confused. I am confused. My colleagues seem to be in 6s and 7s. My colleague for the state seems to be 9 and 10s about confusion. There's a reason why we're requesting you to unconfuse us. Is it you who's telling the truth in terms of your observation, or they could be mistaken? You know, mistakes do happen in the process of observation.
Nalaba engisebenza kanye nabo abana assistance mangibheka nangapha kumshushisi naye ngicabangeke ukuthi unayo le nto leyo ukuthi kuqhamile kuye akuzameke ukuthi usikhiphe kulolu bishi lokudideka.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Mr. Kaya.
Tumelo Madlala.
Oh,
Tumelo Madlala.
Mr. Madlala, I'm sorry, sir.
Someone is confused.
Thank you. Now let's get back. You are saying, when you made the statement, the typed version, the original of which the court has ruled that is non-existent. You are saying...
Sorry, Mr. Mnisi, don't misquote the court. The original, I said there is no evidence that there was a statement made by this gentleman which he made with his own handwriting and attested to, and it was commissioned by him before the Commissioner of Oaths. That's what I said. There was no original, in other words. He never made a statement. That's the court's finding. Please.
As it please the court.
Don't misinterpret the court.
Yes, thank you, madam. The statement that the defense on behalf of the accused persons were given by the state, the typed version. Now, when Mr. Ramusipilo on behalf of accused number 1 and 2 was taking you through the steps in which, or under the circumstances under which the statement was made, you're saying you were seated, actually as you were narrating the version, of what happened, somebody was busy typing the statement, not so?
Uma Mr. Ramusipile kubuza ukuthi indlela statement lesi esenziwa ngayo shilo ukuthi wena wawukhuluma ube nomuntu ke noma kwakunomuntu wayetype.
Yebo?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, what I'm going to do now, or what I'm going to read now, it will be you talking and somebody typing. Do you understand?
Engizokwenza ke manje noma lokho ngizofunda wena uyakhuluma kunomuntu otypeayo.
In other words, I am going to create a bit of a scenario where you will be talking and you will assume that somebody will be typing, and this is how it goes. And this is you saying it. Around 9 p.m. on the very same day, now the person is busy typing that. I noticed Muzi Sibia, Mafiga, in bracket, open bracket, Sandy Sontanzi, close bracket, and Nkani, open bracket, Sifiso Wuhle Zunguntuli, walking after each other to Kwabeni's bedroom coming from outside. Just let's hold it there.
Asime lapho ke ngabo 9 ngalelo langa lelo ngabona ke umuzi Sibiya umafika Sandi Sontanzi kanye nonkani Sifiso kuhle Zungu Ntuli behamba ke belandelana beya ekamereni lakhe uGwabeni besuka noma bebuya ngaphandle.
Thank you. Now you're telling this person around 9 p.m. on the very same day you noticed Muzi Sibiya, Mafiga in brackets Sandi Sontanzi. And Nkani in brackets Sifihlo Zungu Ntuli walking after each other to Kwabeni's bedroom coming from outside. Now, as you are trying in a way that you did to say, actually Nkani's weight should not have been in that line. It should have been accused number 3's weight. Is that how I understood you? I mean, accused number 3's name. Is that how I understood you?
Indlela engikuzwe ngayo leyo ukuthi kwangafanele ukuthi kubhalwe unkani. Yes.
Thank you. Now this person is busy typing. Around 9 p.m. on the very same day, I noticed Muzi Sibiya, Mafiga. I take it when you are mentioning Muzi Sibiya, Mafiga, and Nkani, instead of saying Nkani, you might have said Nube or Carlos, not so?
I said Gadla.
Yeah,
Ngathi uGadla.
Yes. Now, how come the person who's typing this statement would then say Nkani? Where did he take this name from? Nkani.
Sorry, Mr. Mnisi.
Yes, my lord.
This witness,
Yes.
when he gave evidence, he said he had notes, is that not so? Which he wrote in his own hand.
Yes, my lord.
Penanda, you must remember, is the investigating officer. Incidentally, he happens also to be the commissioning officer.
Yes.
This witness, you must tell me if I don't quote you correctly. Even other counsels can say that. He says he was asked, and then he would refer, in the form of being asked, he would refer to his statement.
Yes,
and he would
madam.
relate. But the way you are putting it, it's like he is saying, the typist, he says, my name, then the lady types, is Ratha Mokgoatlheng. Is that how it happens, sir?
Yes, my justice. Yes, mankhuluma uyatype.
As I'm talking is typing.
Omunye should brigadier interviewer, omunye wayitype.
The brigadier was interviewing me, the other one was typing.
Yes.
Thank you.
That's how I understand.
Njengoba ubona lapha mawubheka nje lento ngibuzayo yona nababa Mnisi, uyabona lapha kubhala uMafika. Ngenxa ukuthi uMafika kubo babengazi ukuthi ubani uMafika. They have to ukuthi ngirefer to bani uMafika.
As you can see there, Mr. Mnisi, you see there Mafika is written. Because they didn't know or were not aware as to who Mafika was, I had to tell them as to who is Mafika.
Let's not rush. I'm coming there. I'll take the lead.
Come on with
follow
them.
behind me.
Come on with it.
Yes. The lady is typing. As the court said, and then you said, yes, no. As I was talking, the lady was typing. Now, instead of you saying, Nkani, I understood you to have said Carlos. Not so.
I said Gaza.
Nathi uGaza.
Yes, yes, Gaza.
Don't get lost.
I'm not lost. Gaza. When you have said Gaza, how then did the word Sifiso Kuhle Zungu Ntuli get into what we have just said? Gaza and Sifiso Kuhle, what is it now? Sifiso Kuhle Zungu Ntuli. The dialect and those names are not close to each other. The lady is typing. You say in Gaza, he types Sifiso Kuhle Zungu Ntulu, not so. How could that have happened?
Ngengikwazi ukuchaza ingakho ngikurectify ukuthi mistake ebhalwe lapha ukuthi ubeyitype kanjani ebhale type kanjani angazi ufuna ukuthi ngichaze ukuthi ugadla igama leli lingene lapha instead of gadla kwangena igama elithi nkani.
As to how it happened, I can't be in a position, I won't be in a position to explain that. But I did say that there I said Gadla, but instead of Gadla, Nkani was then inserted there.
Thank you. That's the first hurdle in your testimony that is not explicable.
Yes, Mr. Mnisi.
Mr. Zungu, in law there is something called perjury. Do you know what perjury is?
La emthethweni ke noma ke kuloko kunento abayibiza ngokuthi
basis for the relevance of that question, Madam.
Yeah, Mr. Mnisi. He doesn't know what perjury is, so what are we going to do?
How long have you been a policeman, sir? For 12 years. We have been investigating cases, not so. Do you know what perjury is?
uyazi ukuthi yini perjury?
Yebo ngiyayazi.
Yes, I do.
Thank you. He says he knows it, my lord. What is perjury?
No. You must lay a basis. You've got to tell this witness A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Under cross-examination, under oath, he comes with an answer which perjures himself. But at the moment, this witness is here, and then you're saying, does he know perjury? What is perjury? That question is disallowed.
As it gives the court, my lord.
Yeah, because you can see, you're a legally trained person. What do you expect this witness to say about perjury? If he tells you it is the death of someone else, what are you going to say?
No, but my lord, those are answers that I'm expecting to come from the witness. Now the court really takes over the answering of those questions on behalf of the
you can't ask
witness.
this witness if he knows what perjury is before you've laid the foundation. Just standing up and say, do you know perjury?
That is how I choose to conduct my
Yeah,
cross-examination.
but that's not procedure. That question is disallowed without a foundation.
Thank you, sir. I'm told that I must lay I must lay the basis why I'm asking you what perjury is. I'm asking you this simply because you're a police officer. That's the basis why I'm asking you what perjury is. You said you know perjury. The basis why I'm asking you what is perjury is because you've told this court that you've come to testify here as a police officer.
Ngikubuza ke lokho ngoba uyiphoyisa ushilo nokuthi uzofakaza la nanjengephoyisa.
So what is perjury?
Ngizofakaza njengephoyisa. Iphoyisa cha into umsebenzi wami.
I'm here to testify as a police officer. I think a police officer it's my work.
Sir, you have introduced at the inception of your testimony, you were introduced as a warrant officer, as a constable, who's got 12 years in the service of the South African Police Services. So that's my point of departure.
uma wethulwa ke lana noma uchazwa ke uchathuna njengephoyisa elineminyaka ke ewu12 lisebenza.
Ngiyavumelana nawe.
I agree with you.
Thank you. What is perjury? You said you know it. I was requested.
I understand.
I'm asking not to answer you. I don't understand it.
Mhlambe ngiunderstand ngale ndlela bengizophendula ngayo.
Mhlambe
ngale ndlela bengizophendula ngayo.
Mhlambe maybe I don't understand it so in the manner in which I was going to answer you.
But you've just said to me, you know what perjury is. You can give me the answer that you would have explained on what perjury is.
Engiyicabangayo.
The one I'm thinking.
It's fine. You can tell me perjury is monkey, it's fine.
It's you.
When?
What is perjury?
When?
What is perjury?
Angiyazi.
I don't know.
We have just said you know what perjury is.
Let's move along, and we don't see the sense of this cross-examination. With the greatest of respect to my learned friend.
I don't know what was the basis of the objection, my lord, because this very same witness said knows what perjury is. And then the court said, well, maybe perjury could be something else. And then I was requested to give the basis why am I asking this question. And I'm saying the basis why I'm asking this question simply because he's a police officer. I'm not asking something out of the ordinary. I'm asking something that is well within his knowledge of being a police officer. So I don't know what is the basis of the objection now. So you don't even answer to what perjury is, despite the fact that you said you know what perjury is. Thank you. Mr. Kwabeni, is he still alive?
And kicking.
Usaphila yebo.
Kwabeni mina.
Ubuzo Kwabeni.
Usho Kwabeni maphi?
Which Kwabeni?
Nami ngozungu ngokwabeni.
I'm also Zungu, I'm Kwabeni.
I did not know that you are Kwabeni. I know that you are Zungu. You entered.
Yebo. Okay.
That's
Court says it is praise salutations. He says Kwabeni.
I did not know that he was Kwabeni, my lord. I thought he was Constable Sizwe Kumbuzo Zungu. He never told this court that I'm Zungu stroke Kwabeni. But nonetheless, the Kwabeni that I'm referring to...
Sorry, this Advocate Mnisi.
Mine is very sacred, my lord. It just doesn't get said anyway.
Okay.
Yes. The Kwabeni that I'm asking you about is the Kwabeni that you allegedly say invited you to go to the party.
The one written in the statement.
The Kwabeni who invited you to come to his place.
Yebo?
Yes. That's the one.
Statement.
Is he still alive?
Disappear.
Yeah, we appeal.
Yes, he is.
Thank you. When last did you see him?
Hayibo. Bengimele ngimbone mhlambe kanjani usho ukuthi?
How? What do you mean?
I'm asking when last did you see him? That's a simple question. When last did you see him from today when you count backwards? When last did you see him? Mr. Zungu, look, we are a police official. We have come here to assist the court to come to a particular decision. So it's my duty to quiz you on everything that you have said on the court. Do you understand? Yeah. And can you please behave in a manner that accords with the decorum of this court? When last did you see Mr. Kwabeni?
Angikhumbuli.
I can't recall.
Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more captivating videos.